My people, oh, Mercy Johnson, my people, in head don waka oh, Mercy Johnson head don waka, Mercy don run mad oh, allegedly as they don come outside, come talk am. Mercy Johnson, my people, una know am, our multi-talented Nollywood actress wey she give us joy back in the days. My people, marriage don scatter, marriage don finish. Mercy Johnson dey say the thing wey dey happen to her right now, and the worst part be say the husband no even dey for house, the husband no send again. My people, this thing get as e be oh. When you come to look say these two people dey used to be like 5 and 6. Today you no go see the husband close to Mercy Johnson. Any video wey the woman dey upload these days, the husband is nowhere to be found. But that will not be even the matter. Make una come hear matter oh. Hey, they don talk say the first wife wey Mercy Johnson snatched husband from allegedly. Una know say that time wey Mercy Johnson did that thing, the wife im pikin dey still small, and the pikin dem dey cry every day. Dey cry say where their papa, because they know say their papa go Nigeria that time. They no know say their papa no go return back unto say Mercy Johnson come snatch am along the line. Allegedly, people don talk and say that time the pikin dem dey cry, and make una know say those pikin dem be angels that time. So the angels wey even dey protect those pikin dem, dey hear the pikin their cry. How una think say dem mad dem go react? How una think say pikin dem wey dem dey innocent, their papa dey like dem, dey play with dem, on a very good day im travel, he no come back again. Pikin dem dey cry on their papa head, on the woman wey comot their papa from their mama side and dem. My people, Mercy Johnson, I can tell you for free, she is not different from Agadi Nawan baby Judy Austin. No matter how they wan paint and put, my people, make una no use sentiment dey judge Mercy Johnson matter, because allegedly Mercy Johnson snatched the husband from his matrimonial home. The same thing wey Juju do, Mercy Johnson come dey born back to back that time. The same thing wey Juju kwa, she dey follow the footsteps. So I no dey see any difference. The only thing be say Mercy is a talented actress. Aside from that, my people, the alleged story dey show say they even use the same method, my people, to carry people their husband. Now Mercy Johnson dey cry. My people, she dey cry. They say BP dey go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. But that will not be the thing where they happen. The most koko be say, according to the information, they say Mercy Johnson, allegedly, the place where she put the man that time, when she come snatch am, for her mind be say everything where she cook, tie the man down, the man no go ever get in senses. My people, then they talk and say, one day, all these things where people they use automobile, they pursue men. At the end of the day, the thing they finally, they finally weak for power. Because as the man come behave that time, people where they know the man, even the family members, they shout, say, Prince, now you they do this thing like this, they behave like person where they don't do something bad. This how we love, if they see love, you no go talk too much. And then Mercy Johnson, she dey popular. She get money, she get influence. Who go fit even challenge am for that Nigeria that time? Who go fit even challenge am? And spiritually, they say, allegedly, they say Mercy Johnson, the place where she put her hand, different called spiritual things then, allegedly. So there was no way where the man fit comot for Mercy Johnson trap. Now, as things don't enter, years don't pass, people where they even they do juju for Mercy Johnson, majority don't buy. Majority don't buy. So the thing now, it don't what? It don't dismantle. And the man, my people, no one see Mercy Johnson with eye. Imagine, Mercy they try to even they hide her from her fans and people when they close to her, but the obvious is obvious. To think say Mercy Johnson and this man, they used to be like 5 and 6. Everywhere they go play with pikin, then go play. Today, the man know the show. The man know the show. Before, if you check, the man go dey compliment the wife up and down, compliment am up and down. The wife go dey compliment the husband. Then today, my people, hey, wetin wey we dey hear now, we come talk say, chow, this life no go snatch person husband think say you don win trophy o. No go snatch am wait make the husband divorce jejely. Make the thing cool. My people, allegedly, ever since when Mercy Johnson comot the husband, scatter the home, my people, they say it was just a matter of time. Now, the worst one wey shock everybody pass. Now, how the even husband, he don't open mouth talk say, nothing wey go do am make him come back with Mercy Johnson. Can you imagine? My people, if not be juju wey hold the man before, how he go carry talk that kind of a thing? He say nothing wey go do am make him come back with Mercy Johnson, allegedly. Say if they see them together na because of their pikin them. Say him himself, he no dey in love with Mercy Johnson anymore. My people, if not be juju be that wey dem trap am since, how on earth all of a sudden he go say he no want again, he no want again? My people, they say now the man don dey go from one side cheek to the other, allegedly. The man no send again. E be like person wey e be like when you cage a bird, put am for cage for many time. The time we go comot am for cage, he no go know how to fly well. But once he pick up, he no go want stop again. Na so him be. Now the man no want stop again. From one side cheek to the other, e be like person wey dem tie down his life, his movement, everything was being instructed by forces more powerful than him that time. Spiritual forces more stronger than him that time. So now the man don regain his own freedom. Him eye don clear. Him eye don clear. Dem say Mercy Johnson, una no fit see am again. Allegedly, they say, una no fit see Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson, no, he don waka, find where dem go help am do, make the man come back. Everywhere where she dey go, according to wetin dem dey talk, allegedly, dem dey tell am say the thing too strong. Dem dey tell am say the thing too strong because what? Because of the way wey Mercy Johnson take snatch the man that time. Dem tell am say the thing too strong, say dem no fit do am. E get person wey dem say Mercy Johnson pay enough money make he help her go Cotonou. She come talk say she no fit go Cotonou because if she go Cotonou, people go suspect now say e dey go because of wetin wey dey happen. My people, make una hear matter. Allegedly, the person go Cotonou, come back, tell Mercy Johnson say the man wey dey do am tell am say Mercy Johnson must bring the husband to Cotonou. My people, allegedly, before dem go do what? Tie down and catch the husband again as he used to be. As the man dey before, where they talk, just dey like zombie, just close mouth. Now Mercy they do everything. He just they support Mercy. Then tell her now, so for Cotonou, the Babalawo say Mercy must bring the husband to Cotonou. Make them work on him. And tell me how Mercy go carry bring man where I don't clear to Cotonou. No be before when I never clear. Mercy go tell her say make them go somewhere or somewhere. Allegedly, that's what they talk. The man go just follow Mercy, no go know where they go. But now the man eye don't open. So Mercy they cry. Then say if you see Mercy, hey God, she don't run madi. She don't colo mental. Her BP they just they fluctuate, my people. If you see Mercy, you go shout, say now our legendary actress be this. Now our better obonge actress be this, my people. Now the same modus operandi way if you notice Judy Austin carry waka. The one they do for Yul Edochie, but we thank God say Queen May her own be say she just dump everything, leave them, dash to the Austin to Yul Edochie. My people, all these side chicks, as in Tokamo, allegedly, say Mercy Johnson snatch the husband, then they come with full force, then they come to collect everything and more. But the man no get anything, but she wanted a man like Prince, him from a royal home, so she wanted somebody like that. And she elevated him, but she did Prince waiting what she wanted Prince to be. She made him how she wanted him to be. Allegedly, not be the way Prince be won't be. But now when Prince don't enter House of Reps and many things don't unfold, Prince don't talk, say he no go ever. Nothing go do and make him come back again with Mercy. Imagine say they tell and say, if you want make something happen, carry come bring her for Cotonou. Mercy Johnson they cry. Mercy Johnson they cry. How she go carry the man go Cotonou when you know very well say the man now even for the conversation between husband and wife as they do before, e no dey again. Let alone to convince and say make we go Cotonou. E go happen. E no go happen. E no go happen, my people. Hey, my people. This one are the thing where they happen right now. Oh. Mercy Johnson don't try for Nigeria. And the craziest part, my people, before I forget, they say Mercy Johnson no one make nobody know say the thing they happen. So before she go even go, they contact people, make they help her. She go find somebody where go contact the people. When I don't see the matter. So because of the Mercy Johnson, they go directly. The thing no they even they click like that. People when they go and they eat her money. Some of them they tell and say they not fit work the thing, say the thing they too strong. Say Prince Okoji a too over clear now. My people, everybody don't talk say this is just karma, and people don't talk say it is just the beginning. Oh, hey God, oh, it is just the beginning because what? Because according to how they put them allegedly, Mercy Johnson comot innocent pikin them when they dey Italy that time with their mama, with their papa. She comot their joy from them side. She comot their happiness from them side. She collect the happiness, go build another of her own life. How you go dey enjoy? They get your own happiness on top another woman pain and sorrow. Allegedly, oh, how you go carry the do am? You dey enjoy. They carry the man up and down. Now go US today, now go UK tomorrow. You go do Disney World with all your pikin, then go Disneyland. All those things they good. But the man, the other pikin, enko. Then they see all those things, they cry day and night, And the thing where my people, everybody say Mercy Johnson, allegedly, as it can't happen, they say the thing where Mercy Johnson no do well, when nobody they support, make una hear them. They say the worst thing where Mercy Johnson no do well. Now how she mastermindedly deprive the communication between the husband and him older grown up pikin them ever since. She makes sure say that communication cut off. And if you notice, if you know the bias on una thinking and reasoning, una go know say na the same way where Judy Austin she can't try today. Don't use in hand block Daniel, but Daniel no send them now. Daniel no they even look out for face. After everything he saying go block Daniel, come block and wait till Daniel send. But now so all these kind of things they happen. Judy Austin try make sure don't check on they see negative things for our Queen May pikin them. Something where on a very good one I know say Yul and Daniel they used to be best like this together like two birds when they were carrying the fly they no one separate. Yes, Yul and Daniel. So now the thing where that's why I say Judy Austin come they follow Mercy Johnson footstep thinking that now so her own marriage could be successful. Make una think am now, make una see am. Allegedly, Mercy Johnson come talk say anyhow, the man don't build a new home, a new family with her. Forgetting that the man marry, not be only say marry, he get pikin them. How you go deprive the man away from his pikin them, making they talk to them. No, they know how they do for school, all those things. It is not done, my people. It is not done. They say allegedly, Mercy Johnson do that thing that time. Everything she pack and put them. So the man no go get mind, no go even get thinking of say make it look if the pikin then they okay. They know they okay. Call them once in a while or even on their birthdays. No, nothing. Total communication cut off today, my people. Allegedly, Mercy Johnson now. When I don't see how she don't dry. They say many things they inside that dry. Many things they inside that dry. Even the things where she they use before, as they know they again, they follow all those things. And her mind know they well because what? Because the man no send them again, unlike before. My people, how Mercy go carry the man go Cotonou? Now people they ask now. How Mercy go carry the man, make them go work on his body, make the man continue to be at Mercy Johnson beck and call, and they behave as they behave. The man he don't finally open. My people, something they happen on a fashi, something they really happen. Imagine a talented, beautiful young lady like Mercy. She no get anything to envy any other young girl of her age that time. See how she fine rich, see how everything there and can't get talent. Can't they showcase her good acting skills. People can't they like her because of that acting skills. People not even drag her because what? Because the other wife dey Europe, and then she dey Nigeria, and she be celebrity. People come welcome the man, feel say Mercy don she don get better man. No say no be say no be better man, no, but the man don marry. The man get pikin dem. Even for Mercy Johnson to marry that time, he had them. 3 different denomination churches, then just say they no dey agree. 3 different denomination churches, they rejected to marry a man wey dey already married. They say, now which one be this one? Which kind of abomination be this one? Now only Christ Embassy, and they say, okay, then go overlook them, imagine, and then come marry them. They never wanted them to marry, because when they come do research, they come find, say, allegedly, the man don't marry, tie knot, everything, for the place where he from come that time for Italy. My people, so now, Mercy, they cry. Mercy, they cry. Mercy, they cry. She don't know how she go do. She say, this thing go quiet, mom. This thing go quiet, because she don't lose control. And the man no dey even dey listen to her, and the man no dey stay for house. The man no dey even come ask. And people, I beg, I won't draw my curtain here, I won't rest my kiss here. Now make people dey learn from all these things. If not true, say Mercy Johnson use Otomopo for this man, make people learn say he no good. If not true, say Mercy Johnson deprive the man, making the talk to him first speaking, then make people know say he no good. And if not true, say Mercy Johnson snatch the man away from his wife and picking them, make people know say e no good though, because at the end you dey pay. You go pay sooner or later. At the same thing when they wait for Jodie Austin, it's just a matter of time. She go pay. And the worst part and the craziest part for Jodie Austin be say, the time when she go pay her own, go make one no go send for y'all, because she no go even want them back again. My people, please, I won't draw my curtain here. I will come back in a jiffy. Thank you so much.